Can you still profit from trading the stock market these days when the entire market is plummeting? When the market triggers 3 circuit breakers in a week, when coronavirus is getting more severe every day? The answer is yes, you may. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it and share some ideas with you of what you could do. Good morning everyone, this is Justin here. How is everybody doing today? Hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. You're probably working from home and opening YouTube and see what's new. So thank you for tuning into this video and spending the next few minutes with me for some information on the stock market that you might find useful. Let me start with what's going on. As you may know, we officially entered the bear market, where Wall Street defined as a 20% drop from its highest point. On Thursday, March 12th, we experienced the worst drop since Black Monday 1987. That day hammered a lot of investors and wiped out most of the gain in 2019. If you don't know what that means, that just means very sad. Lots of panic sell and concern over how coronavirus is impacting the economy. It no doubt had crushed a lot of businesses, especially the travel and travel-related ones. Look at hotels, airlines, United, Delta, Southwest, including my favorite, Alaska Airlines. Of course, my investment portion of money is severely impacted given this current condition. However, I'm not going to sell anything in my investment portfolio because they have long-term investment. Give it a 5, 10, 20 years, it will go back up. And in fact, if I buy now, I enjoy a 20% discount on businesses that I always want to invest in. Well, that's a video for another time. With all the background explained, now let's look at how we can make money during the bear market. And of course, I always have examples to show you. As you might know, I like trading natural gas ETF, which I've covered how I made over $2,000 from natural gas in one of my previous videos. Natural gas is a commodity that we will need for residential, electricity, and way more other applications. The price of natural gas has more to do with supply, demand, and weather forecast rather than the overall economy, because they are not that deeply interconnected. Sure, there will be some subtle nuances around them, but we are not going that far here. A simple way to show you is to compare the 1-year, 1-day chart of natural gas future to that of the Nasdaq future. You don't see much correlation, right? Because there's not so much linear correlation. So what does that mean? That means you can trade natural gas independently of how the overall market is doing. The number one thing I focus on is trend. Is it trending up or trending down? If you look at the natural gas future, it's obviously trending down because the current natural gas storage is higher than its 5-year average, meaning there's storage surplus. The more something there is, the cheaper it will get. So the natural gas price has been trending down, down, and down. Therefore, again, I traded the same inverse ETF, DGAS, because it goes up when the natural gas future goes down. I have 33 shares of DGAS at an average purchase price of $282 per share. And then I set a limit stop at $320, walked away with a $1,200 profit. You don't have to trade natural gas, there are a lot of different commodities out there. It could be crude oil, silver, gold. You can find out what works for you. Just do your homework, form your own opinion, make sense of each trade, and have an exit plan in case you have to cut losses. Because the ultimate goal here is that you can become self-sufficient to make your own money. Another ETF I traded was SQQQ, an inverse ETF that tracks the Nasdaq future. Meaning if Nasdaq goes up, SQQQ goes down, and vice versa. Very similar to how natural gas future and DGAS work. I had 105 shares of SQQQ at an average cost about $20 per share. And then I sold all of them at $23, walk away with a total profit about $280. Again, I focus on the overall trend. Because of the impact of the coronavirus, the market has been tumbling. As you can see, as the market was selling off, SQQQ was spiking up. Because I spotted this trend and direction, I began to trade SQQQ. In a nutshell, you will still be able to make money from trading ETFs and stocks despite the downtrending overall market. Both DGAS and SQQQ are my examples to show you that if I can do it, you can totally empower yourself to learn more about it and do it yourself as well. And remember, this is for trading. DGAS and SQQQ are not an investment. they're not meant to be held for over 5, 10 or 20 years. And again, I'm not a licensed professional, so everything that I've said so far is not financial advice by any means. I'm here to just share my thoughts and opinion to maybe get you started thinking, learning and informing yourself about trading and investment. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and make some money with your own plan and strategy. Stay healthy, stay safe, have some fun in designing your own personal finance, hobbies, and hence a life full of things that you love. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below to share your thoughts, like, subscribe and share. See you on the next video. Cheers!